Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a Russian dessert. A heavenly combination of soft, fluffy mousse covered in a delicate layer of chocolate. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Ptichyi Moloko. Ptichyi Moloko. Ptichyi Moloko. Ptichyi Moloko. While in Russian accent, we may pronounce it as Ptichyi Moloko. Ptichyi Moloko. Ptichyi Moloko. Ptichyi Moloko. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.